Alright, this is Calabos. We are playing Antimatter Chemistry. At this point, we finally have some seared brick, so I think they're still processing. So, seared bricks are pretty cool, and they are exactly what we're going to be needing. Alter roller. Can't make it yet until we get to chapters. How do we get to chapter? That's unfortunate. So I've got this set up to be constantly exporting and doing diamonds. Get more loot chests. We'll get more speed upgrades in pounding them out. Base rods, hoppers, oak, more clay. What we can do is we can build all of the so this is cool. The problem is you have to place it. The difficulty is water that flows into it automatically becomes cobblestone, so it doesn't like create infinite cobblestone in or infinite obsidian in an area. It's kind of a hassle. A lot of speed upgrades at some point. I'm trying to figure out how to automate that without too much hassle. You're actually going to be parcels. We're going to have to make some more storage space. Not really big deal. It's possible. That. That's not unlocked yet. But we have it. All we have to do is unlock. Blaze rod. So we're slowly getting more and more blaze rods. We're going to look at our here. Fortunately, it doesn't fit into so we'll need thallium. Thallium, we'll take a stack. So we'll pull this out for now. Get a couple carbon. We're gonna finish this recipe. Then we're going to go ahead and that go rods. Thallium, whatever, boom. Go back to carbon. Or diamonds. Carbon. Cobble gen. This gives us the tier 4 cobble gen. Gives us one step closer. Now we need the 4 grass blocks and 4 fertilizers. The grass blocks are actually going to be reasonable. Go ahead and pop up that. Our odds of getting anything are slim, but if we do get anything, it's free. And can't actually get anything from the blaze rods, but I do believe that blaze powder can be broken down into germanium. I mean, We have enough germanium. I'm not really worried about it. Alright, so our next step is going to be grass. So the grass is pretty simple. Water, cellulose, and kaolinite. Kaolinite is going to be aluminum oxide, silicon dioxide, water. So aluminum oxide. Water. And silicon. Okay, that for a second. Carbon recipe off. Go kaolinite. Want grass. So grass is going to be kaolinite, cellulose, and water. So that's going to be hydrogen, oxygen. Go. Go. Do is wait for that to go. So that's that. Now we have the grass, and now you know where I got the grass in the first place. And so our next task here is the fertilizer. So we can make fertilizer with urea, diammonium phosphate, and potassium chloride. So we're going to need, to make this, we'll need carbon, oxygen, and amide. It's going to be hydrogen and nitrogen. Get hydrogen, nitrogen. Tag that. Couple of these. I don't remember exactly how many we're going to need for fertilizer, but we'll grab it all. Actually, let's grab some more. Case. Got a couple of oxygen. Spare it. We'll be close, but the 13,000. our next step here is going to be oxygen and carbon. Carbon. Side. Fertilizer stuff. Now we have the now we need the diammonium phosphate. Potassium chlorides actually should that we have that. Potassium. Have diammonium phosphate. So that's going to be phosphate ammonium. We're going to need more phosphorus. Where do we get phosphorus? We get phosphorus from netherrack. Pink antimatter. So pink antimatter from I'm not sure, but I think it's just eating it sometimes when you click it in. All right, now phosphate. That's phosphorus and oxygen. Right. So that's the phosphate. Now we need ammonium, which is nitrogen and hydrogen. Right. or progress. I'm guessing that the fertilizers is kind of like bone meal effect. Phosphate. Or you also need. No, I know. I'm just about to use it up, but I'd rather have it than not. Up with. Just make sure all of these are locked. So we need yeah, yeah, diammonium phosphate, which I think we were making. Phosphate and ammonium. Phosphate. Thought we just made this, didn't we? Apparently AM doesn't spell it correct. It does now. Sure. So we need diammonium phosphate. Now we need hydrogen. Alright, now we have that. This needs a drawer. I know, right? It's all about the drawer. That should theoretically set us up for that. Potassium. Going to give us a crazy ton of fertilizer. Are also going to put in a drawer. That and lock it. Okay, well now we have that quest completed. Time to... I was starting to run a bit long. Not the episode, the quest. But the thing can be used like bone meal, just as I thought. So that gives us this. Gives us another iron sharpening kit. 2 dandelions. Honestly, it doesn't hurt to really just have the grass going because we can use the grass to start collecting animals. One grass is going to go back in this for safety purposes. I suspect that we're not supposed to have bone meal yet. Know us ahead of the curve. Awesome. That gives us more fertilizer, and now we need purple antimatter. Purple antimatter. We get from iodine, we get from lead iodide, which we get from dandelion yellows. So, oh, that's cool. So that actually will give us lead, iodine, fancy act. For good old PB. Lead and iodine. So I do not believe that either one of these actually have locations. we'll go ahead and put them in and call this episode. That should be right near gold. Boom. Iodine is going to be 50. All right. We've placed 2 more things. This actually will give us another quest. I was wondering how to get the purple one. You saw that we've actually had dandelions for a while. That gives us iodine and what? Vanilla. 23. Anyway, this is a good place to call the episode. Yeah. There. So it's a good place to call it. I hope you liked the episode. If you did, leave me a like. If you didn't, don't. Questions, comments, concerns, they can all go below. And yeah, have a good